all you fine folks. Welcome back to my channel. My name is America of America's Abstracts. If you're new here, hi! I use FolkArt as a way to cope with my various chronic illnesses. So as a result of that, you get a new video twice a week on Thursdays and Sundays. Happy Sunday, everyone! I hope everyone had a good rest of their week. Check in with me. Tell me how you're doing. Fellow chronic illness sufferers. I've been having a range of influx of symptoms this whole week on top of dealing with food poisoning, so that's been fun. So I feel so lucky that I actually feel well enough to paint, and I am doing an experiment video today. I got a Liquitex No. 2 palette knife. Now, my hand's like 7 inches length, like that is palm length, that's pretty big. So we are going to do a little experiment on a 12 by 24 canvas that I have prepped the back of. I don't know what this is going to turn out like, so I usually film after I do the experiment, but I wanted to film before just so I could share my actual reactions with you. But I actually use sheet protectors to prep the back of my canvases. I used to use like cling wrap and stuff, but I figured sheet protectors, it's something I can peel the paint off and then reuse. But yeah, works really well. I actually have 3 sheet protectors with my frog tape to keep it all nice and clean on back. So wanted to say, so I'm going to be doing a swipe, and as you know, with my swipes, I took the Sheleeart e-course. I highly recommend it. They are an amazing community, which is the Facebook community that you get to join after you are able to take the course, and it's a worldwide community. It's so freaking cool. I've made so many friends there. If you guys wanted to take the course, I have a link in my description, and here is a code for 15% off. Ready to experiment, guys? Okay, folks. Because I am literally just trying out this palette knife. I'm going to do a traditional swipe, well, just not the loaded palette knife. Gosh, I'm messy. Also, I'm a little more shaky today. So, I hope this works out. That was FolkArt Aqua Flash. TLP Tail Feather. Let's go TLP Sangria. I think this will look cool. Alright, and then TLP Mermaid. Alright, and for my last color before I do my cell activators, let's go with the sample that I got, TLP Meteorite. I want to do a little bit more because this one's kind of subtle unless if you do a whole bunch. Okay, so I have my copper CA loaded on my palette knife. Ready? Okay. So I'm doing two different cell activators. I wanted to see what copper looked like, and I wanted to see what my Payne's gray looked like. So alright. So I tried, first time I tried the side and kind of up. Now I'm going to go from the top, but okay, I'm not so much experienced with that. Let's see if I can try just a little bit more Payne's gray in that little section. I think I need a corner. I think I need to always use corners. It's actually kind of hard to figure out how much to put on the palette knife sometimes. Okay, so there we go. Alright. This is turning out to be kind of cool. What do you guys think? This is the first time I've actually tried to talk through videos, because I always listen to music, so I'm actually listening to music with my headphones. I usually listen with my stereos. Okay, so I'm going to do whoops. We're just gonna scrape that off there. Whoops. Good thing it's gonna get covered. Alright, I still think I put too much cell activator on it. Alright, well, we will see, right? There's a little bit more of a zoom in how it looks now. Wait. Hold up. I'll load the wrong side of the palette knife. Because realistically it would be hard to swipe that way. Alright, so gotta go opposite. Oh god, that's too much. Alright, so I got alright, let's see how that looks. Ooh, I walked away for a second and all those appeared. Alright, okay, okay. Alright, this is fun. I really like this palette knife, guys. See how I did that? Alright. So, I want to make sure and get this more level. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, Sangria was a good choice. Okay, so I need to add a little bit more pillow paint, so when I spin, it doesn't just go weird. So, now that I have more pillow paint, I can actually stretch it. Okay, so I don't think I will be able to successfully spin this. Maybe. Okay, so hold up, guys. I gotta get all my paints out of the way because things are gonna get messy. Ooh, I really like that section. Oh, this is turning out to be so cool. Okay, guys, I gotta zoom you out so then you'll be able to see everything. Alright, you ready? Nope, I can't spin it. Alright, we're gonna do a tilt, guys. Alright, this is not working out as bad as I thought it would for a tilt. I definitely had enough pillow to make this work, which is nice. Okay. Ooh, I actually really am liking this one. Okay, I gotta reposition myself. Well, it's looking pretty cool so far. Ooh. Oh. Dang. Alright. I actually really like this palette knife a lot. I also realized today I need a bigger space in order to try to spin pieces this big. Ooh, I mean, the cells in the middle are kind of scrunched up, but like, I still actually think it flows pretty darn well with the rest of it for composition wise. Oh my god, I have a little face, I want to keep it still. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna tilt this way. There we go. That kind of stretched those middle cells out a little bit. And a little bit more back. And that way. Okay. Alright guys, I think that's about as much paint as I can get off of it. I really hope this dries well. I'm gonna zoom in and let you guys see the detail on this. So this area is really cool. From your guys' view, it kind of looks like an eye here. I think this, oh, I really like how this turned out. It's pretty nifty, guys. Ooh-wee, I hope this dries well. Pray to the drying gods. Yeah, because this, dude, I see like faces all up here, which is cool. Alright. Alright. Whoa, guys. guys, what do you think of that? I thought it turned out pretty cool. Don't you worry, I'm gonna be back on my Precious Gem series soon enough. I just really wanted to test this big bad boy out. And I gotta say, I highly recommend it for anybody who loves doing swipes. I hope everybody has a good start to their week. I hope everybody is nice to one another. And for my fellow chronic illness sufferers, paint through the pain. Alright folks, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!